Hi everyone! So for today's project, we are going to turn these empty bottles into a nice home decor. But before that, please welcome to Gigi's creation. So let's start by cleaning up all this empty bottle. I already removed all the labels and wash it properly, but I have to clean it with alcohol to make sure there's no debris or all those leftover from those labels. I need to make it really nice and clean because I have to do something about this and to make it very nice and beautiful. So as you can see, I have to give a good clean inside and outside. As you can see guys, they are very beautiful, the shape of these bottles. So I keep them. It's from the sauce. So now I have this gold spray paint. As you can see, I'm not spraying it outside. I'm spraying inside those bottles because this is an experiment. And the reason why I'm doing that is because I like to keep the shiny, uh, the, sh the shyness of these bottles. And as you can see, it's a bit windy, so that's the reason why I need to use a bucket um, so that it doesn't make it so messy, the spray paint. So I'm trying to do it roll around so that the paint inside is become how do you call that, even. Okay, it's done. And have this another one. I really like the shape of this jar or bottle, so I'm spraying it inside again. I want to make sure it's nice and even. That's the reason why I have to roll it around until it gets a bit dry or tacky. Make sure it's gonna be even inside. This is a bit difficult because the shape of the bottle is not round. And now this is the last bit. As you can see guys, it's very windy. I have to redo this again. It's because what I said, the shape. And now this is the outcome guys, and we have to decorate it to make it more upper high end. Okay, so I bought this twine in white color. So I'm trying to make a French, as you can see. And now I have to glue it on the top part of this jar to style it, to make it more high-end kind of thing, as you can see. There you go, done the other one. And now I did make a French for this because I like to experiment with my project. So I just leave this twine like this. I just stick it around because I like to have different looks with all these 3 bottles or 3 jars. I really like the shape of this jar. Okay, it's done. So this one is I didn't do the French, and now I make this another one, but I want to make it as French. So this is 2, and the other one is I just leave it like that. Again, this is a DIY, guys, and it's just an experiment. I like to experiment things, and I would like to see the outcome, how it goes, and it came out really nice and pretty. So I just gonna glue this last bit. And there you go. It's done. That's it. And this is the outcome, guys, with my faux flowers. It's really nice and elegant. So what do you think, guys? Do you think this is nice and elegant? Anyway, if you choose to do it, or if you decide to do it, how would you do it? Would you spray it outside, or you will do the way I do it? Anyway, please comment down below if how you do it. And once again, thank you very much for watching, and I see you again next time. Bye bye.